If you want to lose weight and make sure that all that weight loss is going to be from fat and not muscle, then a body recomposition program is your best option. You're going to need some tools to get started with body recomposition. Let's talk about them today.
Yeah. Let's go.
Hi, this is Clint. So you're interested in losing weight, but you want to make sure that all that weight loss is from fat, not muscle. So we're going to talk about body recomposition and the tools you need to get started. Now, you're probably assuming that we need to do a lot of cardiovascular exercises. Now, yes, we're going to be doing some cardio, but it doesn't have to be intensive. It's not serious jogging or running. In fact, they show that for fat loss, the most effective type of cardio exercise is actually a lower intensity form called Zone 2 cardio. Now, for Zone 2 cardio, yes, you could do it all indoors on a treadmill or on a gym bike. But what I would say is, hey, if the weather is really nice outside, why don't you go outside to do some brisk walking? Because yes, walking counts as Zone 2 cardio. When you're outside on a nice day, the sun's shining, it's not too hot, not too cold, it'll be great for vitamin D. And you know what? It's just going to be good for your overall soul. So go outside for brisk walks. And for brisk walking, yes, you're going to need a nice pair of shoes. This is your first tool that we're going to talk about. Now, you don't need to get a super expensive, super serious type of runner's shoe. No, just a mid-price shoe that's going to work, it's going to be comfortable, and it's not cheap enough that it's going to fall apart. A mid-price shoe is all you need to get the job done outdoors. Now, the next tool that we're going to need is a set of weights, because for body recomposition, again, we want to maintain or even build some muscle. We're going to be doing strength training with weights. Now, there's a couple of options to get access to weights. I'm going to show you the first option. You can build a gym right at home. It's super easy. Let's show you my own home gym downstairs in my basement. Now, as you can see, it's basically a simple exercise bench with a set of dumbbells. And yes, you will need a set of dumbbells, not just a pair of them, because as you can see, I have different dumbbells here with varying amounts of weight, because the different exercises will require different amounts of weight in order to do a total body strength training workout. If you're a lady, of course, you don't have to go as heavy as mine, but you'll still need a variety of weights for the different exercises. Now, the other option for those of you who live in condos, I live in a condo townhouse, so I have access to a condo gym. It's actually a community gym. Let's go over there. So here's my community gym. And as you can see, it's well stocked with even more dumbbells than I have at home. So I have access to lighter weights and I have access to heavier weights. So I can do a variety of exercises with the different weight amounts. And usually what happens is that when I'm in my community gym, I do heavier weights with lower repetitions per set. When I'm at home, because I only have access to lighter weights, I'll do the same basic exercises, but I'll push up the repetitions. So it's basically two different types of strength training workouts that I do. Some days I go to the community gym, and some days I stay at home. Now, in the community gym, as you can see, I also have a big weight machine. And I like this machine because I can do exercises with heavier weights and do it safely. So again, it just gives me a little bit of variety when I'm in the community gym. And as you can see in the community gym, I have a variety of cardiovascular machines. There are treadmills, there's a gym bike, there's an elliptical. Now, the last option, of course, is you can join a commercial gym with all sorts of equipment available. But what I'm saying here is, if you don't want to join a commercial gym and you just want to either use your condo gym or have a nice simple home gym, it's possible. You can make things work. You can have great results like I did with my own body recomposition program with just a home gym. Here's another tool you'll need. These are gym gloves for doing your strength training workout with weights. So you just have to buy a pair of these. You can get them anywhere, even on Amazon. I wear these because it's better for gripping the different weights. If you don't wear these, you're going to have some ugly calluses built on your hands as well. So get a pair of gym gloves. Now, if you saw my other videos so far for body recomposition, then you'll know that body recomposition is not just about exercises. Another very important element will be nutrition. And for nutrition, here's the main tool that you're going to need. You're going to need an app to help you track your calories and measure all the nutritional metrics for everything that you eat. The one I use, I have it on my iPad, is called Chronometer or Chronometer. I'm not sure how it's pronounced, but anyways, get an app like this, Chronometer, at their website. There's a paid version and also there's a free version. So far, I'm using the free version and it works just fine. Now, with an app like this, basically I can track different ingredients in my meals, and each ingredient is tracked for how many calories it has, the nutritional elements like how much protein, how much carbohydrates, how much fat is in each ingredient. And then when I put the ingredients together for my meals, it would give me the totals for the entire meal. And then of course, when I track everything on a daily basis, it would give me the daily totals. You're going to need that because you need to get a good handle on your nutrition. So get yourself a good nutrition app. And the one I use is Chronometer. It's not the only one out there, but get yourself a good rated nutrition app. Okay, so to summarize, the basic tools that you'll need for body recomposition. Okay, you're going to need shoes. That's for the cardio. You're going to need some gym gloves for your strength training. You're going to need access to weights, whether you choose to do it at home or do it in the gym, doesn't matter, but you're going to need access to weights. And then, of course, for the nutrition part, you're going to need a nutritional tracker like Chronometer. Get all those tools together and watch for my next upcoming videos where I'm going to show you how to use these tools. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time.